Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the keyboard keys not working issue in Windows 11. Step 1. Open Settings. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, scroll down and select Accessibility. Scroll down and select Keyboard. Enable the on-screen keyboard by toggling the switch. Step 2. Open Registry Editor. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Run in the search bar and open it. Type Regedit in the Run dialog box and select OK. If prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. Navigate to the following path. All you need to do is to closely follow the path that I click here on the screen. On the right side, locate Start. Right-click on it, select Modify, and change the value to 1. Then close the Registry Editor. Step 3. Update keyboard drivers. Open Device Manager using the on-screen keyboard. Expand Keyboards. Right-click on your keyboard driver and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the most appropriate driver, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. If prompted to restart, do not restart yet. Continue with the next steps before restarting. Step 4. Adjust ease of access settings. Open Control Panel using the on-screen keyboard. Select Ease of Access and then Ease of Access Center. Click Make the keyboard easier to use. Uncheck Turn on sticky keys, turn on mouse keys, turn on toggle keys, and turn on filter keys. Click Apply, then OK. Step 5. Run SFC scan. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SFC/scanout and press Enter. Now wait for the scan to complete. Restart your computer now to apply all changes. Your keyboard should now function properly without issues. If the issue persists, try reinstalling your keyboard driver or checking for Windows updates. Thank you for following this guide. Wishing you success.